In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your Steam screenshot not saving. So let's get straight into the video, shall we? The first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and ensure that the Steam overlay is enabled. What you want to do is open your Steam, click on the top left Steam icon, click on settings, and now you want to simply go ahead and look for in-game. Now this is where you want to simply go ahead and turn on the in-game. Now this is where you want to turn on the enable the Steam overlay while in game button right over here. Once you've done that, it should go ahead and fix your problem. However, if it still doesn't fix your problem, then what you want to do is simply go ahead and find the screenshots.vdf file on your installation window. So wherever you've installed Steam, you can simply right click on Steam, click on show more options, and then you can simply click on open file location. That is going to simply go ahead and take you to the downloaded and installed folder, where you want to simply go ahead and search for this little file, which is going to be screenshots.vdf right over here. Now what you want to do is simply go ahead and delete it or rename it to whatever you want, and it should go ahead and fix your problem. However, if it still doesn't, you might have no other options but to uninstall and reinstall the application. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.